As a Unifier administrator, you need to update the value of a single field of a shell attribute form across multiple shells. Which Unifier functionality should you use to complete this action? Option A. Push the updates from a shell template. Option B. Perform a CSV import. Option C. Perform a bulk update from the shell log in the user mode view. Option D. Perform a bulk update from the company-sponsored shell log in the administrative mode. The correct answer is option B. You already have a group created, with a set of users assigned to that group. You want to add permissions to all of those users. Identify the functionality that you should use to complete this task. Option A. Import groups. Option B. Import permissions. Option C. Modify users. Option D. Apply permissions template. The correct answer is option C. A user wants to create records via CSV import from the business process log. Identify 2 acceptable scenarios for completing this task. Choose 2. Option A. A record is created by using custom print. Option B. A record is created with only required fields on the detail form. Option C. A record is created with both upper and detail form information. Option D. A record is created with only the detail form information. The correct answer is option A, B. A data picker. Option A. Contains predefined and company-defined data definitions. Option B. Represents fields that define the structure of WBS codes. Option C. Facilitates selection of records or instances from filtered lists. Option D. Represents codes that are used with cost-related business processes. The correct answer is option C.